Well, we've got high beam on one, just this one doesn't seem to want to work, so I'm not sure if it's a blown bulb or is an actual fault with it, but I'll probably go and take it past the shop, just get them to have a quick look at it, see what happens. But that's looking really good. We just got to actually fit that one up now.
So then, here's the drama. My metaphysics, let me be perfectly frank, are that there is the central self, you could call it God, you could call it anything you like, and it's all of us. It's playing.
Alright, that looks... We were meant to get some rear lights, but there was a problem with the shipping, so those will happen in some other video, but these are looking really good. So that was it. That was a pretty easy install for the little bit of wiring that you had to do. It's not really complicated. Everything works except for that right hand high beam, which I'm probably going to go and... because they're pretty local. It's a pretty local shop. It's CT Auto if anyone's wanting to get any lights for any of their stuff. I'm just going to take it past them and just get them to have a quick look at it, because I've double checked all the connections and I'm just not too sure what's wrong with it. But hopefully they can figure it out. But that's it for this one. The look of the car is just like, that front end just looks way better with different lights. But I've got some bigger things coming for that front section of the car, which not gonna spoil, but you guys are gonna love it, hopefully. But that's it for this one. Hopefully I see you guys in the next one. Until then, I'm just gonna keep spending money.
And when you're ready to wake up, you're going to wake up. And if you're not ready, you're going to stay pretending that you're just a little, poor little me.